Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to the general knowledge questions and answers series. In this video I will tell you very important general knowledge questions and answers of 7th class students. These are basic questions of 7th class students. Now let's start our questions. Question number 1. What is the distance between Earth and Sun? Your answer is 150.96 million per kilometer. Question number 2. Who discovered protons? Your answer is Rutherford. Question number 3. Who was the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest? Your answer is Bachendri Pal. Question number 4. What is the common name of sodium carbonate? The answer is washing soda. Question number 5. Who is the father of the economics? The answer is Adam Smith. Question number 6. What combination of sex chromosomes produce a male human? The answer is XY chromosomes. Question number 7. Where is the diaphragm located in the human body? The answer is below the lungs. Question number 8. 1/3 of the sum of the two angles is 60 degrees and 1/4 of their difference is in 28 degrees. The angle are. The answer is 146 degrees and 34 degrees. Question number 9. Where are the headquarters of UNESCO? The answer is Paris, France. Question number 10. UNICEF, UNICEF stand for. The answer is United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. Question number 11. Who invented the lift? The answer is Alicia Graves Otis. Question number 12. 27 is the perfect cube. Is this true or false? The answer is true. Explanation. 3 multiplied 3 is equal to 27. Question number 13. What kind of mosquito carries malaria? The answer is Anopheles mosquitoes. Question number 14. The preserved remains of once living organisms are called. The answer is fossils. Question number 15. What is the state of high blood pressure called? The answer is hypertension, high BP. Question number 16. Ornithology is the scientific study of. The answer is birds. Question number 17. A triangle whose sides are 15 cm, 36 cm and 39 cm is. The answer is right angled. Question number 18. Cataract is the disease of. Answer is eye. Question number 19. The largest living animals belong to the group of mammals. Question number 20. Genetics is the study of genes. Question number 21. In the short run, when the output of a firm increases its average fixed cost, the answer is decreases. Question number 22. Demand for a commodity refers to. The answer is amount of the commodity demanded at a particular price and at a particular time. Question number 23. Who is the inventor of the refrigerator? The answer is William Cullen. Question number 24. How deep is the ocean in Antarctica? The answer is 7,236 meters and 23,740 feet. Question number 25. This is the last questions. How many countries are there in the UK? The answer is 4 countries. I hope viewers you will like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like and share my video with your friends. Thank you. See you next video viewers. Allah Hafiz.